In this video, we'll cover how to install a spoke from the ServiceNow store. For example, let's say we need to send information between ServiceNow and Google Sheets. The process is the same regardless of which spoke we need. We'll just use Google Sheets as an example. In Flow Designer, we can see under the Actions menu that there's no option for Google Sheets. But if we scroll down further or search for Google Sheets, we can see it's under Not Installed Spokes. That indicates that it's available from the store. So we'll head over to store.servicenow.com, either manually or navigate to System Applications All and click Find in Store. From there, we can find Google Sheets with a simple search. Click through the badge and click Request Install. If we've already installed it on another instance, this button will display View Requests. Both do the same thing. When the request form appears, we provide the instance name and reason for request. On the back end, the system goes through an approval process. After our request has been approved, we get an email notification. And back on our instance, we'll refresh our list of applications where we can search for Google Sheets and see that it's available to install. At this point, we simply click Install and let the system do the work. When it's complete, we return to Flow Designer and refresh the screen to find Google Sheets available in the Actions menu. Choosing one of the actions provides the same familiar experience as any other action in Flow Designer. As a friendly reminder, don't forget to visit the Connections tab in Flow Designer and add a connection to the connection alias so that the actions can actually connect. Be sure to watch the videos on connections and credentials for more information. As we can see, adding additional spokes from the store only takes a few minutes and greatly extends the integration capabilities of our system. But what if we can't find a spoke in the store and need to build our own? We'll cover that in the next video.